Hello viewers, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In this class, you are all going to discuss a new concept on contemporary India and education. So by this video, you are all going to learn Introduction to Constitution of India, Values of Constitution of India and Basic Features of Constitution of India. Initially, let's discuss what is Constitution of India? In contemporary times, the education system in India derives its values from the Constitution of India. Preamble to the Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement which highlights the entire Constitution. It means the preamble of the Constitution reflects various aspects of Constitution Acts and clearly explains the constitutional construction on various components of the people. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 by the Constitution Assembly and came into effect on 26 January 1950. From that day onwards, India has been declared a sovereign, republic, democratic, secular and socialistic country. See, this is our Constitution of India preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Next, let's see what are the values of Constitution of India. These are some of the major values of Constitution of India. Liberty, equality, fraternity, sovereignty, socialist, secular, democratic. Let's discuss them in a single sentence. First, liberty. The idea of liberty refers to the freedom on the activities of Indian nationals. Second, equality. This envisages that no section in the society enjoys special privileges and all individuals are provided with adequate opportunities without any discrimination so that all are equal in front of law. Third one, fraternity. This refers to a feeling of brotherhood and a sense of belonging with country among its people. Fourth one, sovereignty. Sovereignty denotes supreme and ultimate power. India is a sovereign state in the sense that it is internally supreme and externally independent. Fifth one, socialist. Here, the term socialist means the wealth is generated socially by the state and should be shared equally by the society through democratic justice. Sixth one, secular. Secular means that the relationship between the government and the people is determined by the constitution and the law. Seventh one, democratic. The people of India elect their governments by a system of universal adult franchise, which is popularly known as one man, one vote. Democracy is the government which is under people's rule. Finally, let's move on with the features of Constitution of India. What are the features, friends? The first feature of Constitution of India is the bulkiest constitution of the world. The Indian Constitution is one of the bulkiest constitution of the world, comprising, it means mixed of 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. So far, the Indian Constitution underwent 100 amendments on 28th May 2015. The second feature of Constitution of India is rigidity and flexibility. The Indian Constitution is the combination of rigidity and flexibility, which means some parts of it can be amended by the Parliament by a simple majority, whereas some parts require a two-third majority as well as not less than one half of the state legislatures. The third feature of Constitution of India is parliamentary system of government. The Indian Constitution provides for a parliamentary system of government. That means the real executive power rests within the Council of Ministers and the President is only a nominal ruler according to Article 74. The fourth feature of Constitution of India is federal system with a unitary bias. The Indian Constitution described India as a union of states. It is according to Article 1, which implies that Indian Federation is not the result of any agreement among the units and the units cannot secede from it. The fifth feature of Constitution of India is fundamental rights and fundamental duties. The Indian Constitution provides an elaborate list of fundamental rights to the citizens of India which cannot be taken away or abridged by any law made by the states. It is according to 12 to 35 article. Similarly, the Constitution also provides a list of 11 duties which are fundamental duties of the citizens according to Article 51A. The sixth feature of Constitution of India is directive principles of state policy. The Indian Constitution mentions certain directive principles of state policy according to Article 36 to 51. Those directive principles of state policy will be described in our next video of our Innovate Teaching channel. So let's wait for it. Now coming to this class, this directive principles of state policy states that government has to keep in mind while formulating new policy. The seventh feature of Constitution of India is secularism. The Constitution makes India a secular state by detaching from religious dogmas according to 42nd Amendment. The eighth feature of Constitution of India is independent judiciary. The Constitution provides an independent judiciary according to Article 76, which ensures that government is carried on in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution and acts as a guardian of the liberties and fundamental rights of the citizens. Ninth feature of Constitution of India is single citizenship. The Indian Constitution provides a single citizenship for all the people residing different parts of the country and there is no separate citizenship for the states. It is according to Article 5 to 11. The 10th feature of Constitution of India is bicameral legislatures. The Indian Constitution provides a bicameral legislatures at center consisting of Rajya Sabha, the Council of States, and Lok Sabha, the House of the People. It is according to Article 79. The 11th feature of Constitution of India is emergency of powers. The Constitution vests extraordinary powers known as emergency powers in the President during emergencies out of armed rebellion or external aggression or due to failure of constitutional machinery in the state. It is according to Article 350 to 360. The final feature of Constitution of India is special provisions for minorities, minority categories. The Constitution makes special provisions for minorities like scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, etc. by granting them certain special rights and provisions. Basically, those are some of the interesting features of Indian Constitution. Moreover, the Constitution also has many other features such as Panchayat Raj, rule of law, provisions for independent bodies, etc., which are very unique in nature. So finally guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.